Welcome to Chalk Talk, your dynamic platform for collaborative learning. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the simple process of creating a session. Let's get started. Log in to your Chalk Talk account. If you haven't signed up yet, go ahead and do that. It only takes a few moments. Once you're logged into your dashboard, navigate to the menu. Look for the My Session Planner button. It's right there, ready for you. You are now on your session planner. Here you can find all the sessions you'll be conducting, making it easy to manage your teaching schedule and content. Click on Create Session and a new window will open. Here you can fill in the details of your session. Select the time zone. Give it a catchy title that reflects the content you'll be covering. Add a brief description. What's the session about? A concise description can generate interest and attract the right audience. Decide if your session will be free or if there's a fee to attend. Chalk Talk supports secure payments through Stripe for your convenience. Upload any relevant files or documents. This could be presentation slides, handouts, or any resources you want to share during the session. Set the date and time for your session. This helps participants know when to join you for this engaging learning experience. You can have a single meetup or multiple meetups as per your course requirements. Click Create Session and voila! Your session is now live on Chalk Talk. Participants can find your session in the Session Explorer and easily join when the time comes. Chalk Talk, where knowledge meets collaboration. Start creating your sessions and fostering a vibrant learning community today.